friends, let's explore our second essential data structure in Python called the dictionary. Think of a real world dictionary. You search for a word like sun and it gives you the meaning. In Python, dictionaries work the exactly same way. You use a key, like a word, to retrieve a value, like its meaning. Each key is linked to a value, just like sun might map to a star that lights the earth. Dictionaries store data in key value pairs. For example, Python dictionary have what are known as key value pairs. So let's look at, for example, if we have sun as the key, so the value will be a star. Or if we have moon as the key, its value might be Earth's satellite. When you query the key sun in the dictionary, Python gives you its associated value. So let's take celestial, for example. Let's create a dictionary named celestial. Now here we give equal to, then curly brackets, then we give sun, colon, we give its value which is a star, comma, next we give moon, colon, and the value we give it Earth's satellite. The key sun maps to the value which is a star and the key moon maps to the value that is Earth's satellite. Now let's print the celestial dictionary and pass the key. So let's print celestial and let's pass sun. We are using the square brackets here to access the value for the key sun. So it prints the value which is a star. So if we give the key, it will give us the value. Imagine a bookstore dictionary. Each book title is a key and its price is the value. So let's give book prices is equal to, now for example, if we have a book 1984 and its value is 250, comma, next we have Hamlet and its value is 300. Next, if we have Dune and its value is 450. We define a dictionary where 1984 costs 250, Hamlet costs 300, and Dune costs 450. Now let's print book underscore prices and pass the value Hamlet. So we get the value 300 when we pass the key Hamlet. We access the price of Hamlet by using it as a key and it returns us the value 300. Technically, a dictionary is an unordered group of items where each item is a key and it has got an associated value. So hence it is called a key value pair. Let's now build our first custom dictionary from scratch. We start by naming our dictionary variable. Let's name it student scores. So student underscore scores is equal to, let's give a blank dictionary. This line creates an empty dictionary called student underscore scores. Now we can add values to this empty dictionary. Unlike lists, which use the opening and closing square brackets, dictionaries use curly brackets for declaration. So now we can give student underscore scores is equal to, let's give curly brackets and in that let's give Alice. Let's give the value 92, comma, let's give the value Bob. Key is Bob and the value is 85. Next, let's give the key as Charlie and the value associated with Charlie is 78. Dictionaries with names as keys and test scores, here are the values. Now let's print student scores dictionary. Now, if we have to confirm the data type, we can use the type function. So we can also give print, we can give type, and then we can give student scores. So it gives us the class dictionary. Type function checks the data type of student underscore scores dictionary and it gives us the output as dictionary. You now have a working Python dictionary. Let's use this structure in the next lessons to store, retrieve, and update information in this dictionary.